Good morning, ma'am. I am Christabili B. from B Economics 2C. Science and technological advancement play a crucial role in social development from various social environment perspective. There are some key points highlighting their importance. Number one, economics development. Science and technology contribute significantly to economics growth and development. Technological advancement drive in innovation, productivity, and efficiency, leading to the creation of new industries, job opportunities, and increasing economics growth in output. Number two, environmental sustainability. Science and technology are essential for addressing challenges and promoting sustainable development. Number three, health and well-being. Science and technology have revolutionized healthcare, leading to improved health outcomes and enhanced quality of life. Number four, education and knowledge sharing. Science and technology are vital for education and knowledge dissemination. Number five, social connectivity and communication. Science and science and technology have revolutionized communication and social media connectivity. The internet, mobile device, and social media platforms have facilitated instant communication, global connectivity. That's all. Thank you.